At Jefferson City Memorial Airport, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 49 degrees. At Columbia Regional Airport, it was sunny. The National Weather Service in Jefferson City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Camden County in central Missouri, Morgan County in central Missouri, Mueller County in central Missouri, Montague County in central Missouri, and Cole County in central Missouri until 1:02 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 40 miles southwest of Jefferson City, Missouri, moving northeast at 38 miles per hour. Possible hazards of this storm include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, deadly lightning, heavy rain, dime-sized hail, and damage to buildings. Items left outside may be put at risk. Locations that are expected to be impacted are Lake Ozark, Osage Beach, Eldon, California, and Jefferson City in Missouri. To keep yourself safe from the storm, find an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rain floods roads and rivers easily, so do not drive into areas where flooding is present. The National Weather Service in Jefferson